All right now, welcome or welcome back to my channel. We back with another cook with me. This evening we're going to be making salmon and Cajun Alfredo. Got my salmon cut into fillets. I already rinsed and patted dry. I just added a little bit of oil so that my seasonings can stick good.
To fuck something up. I need some drink in my cup.
I don't think I'm gonna do too much talk in this video, but I'll try to have everything listed in the description box to the best of my ability, because a lot of times when I'm seasoning, I just go off of the heart. Like, I just do what I feel is enough. I know that's not really ideal for a lot of people, because I myself, I like recipes and measurements with certain things, but I feel like with certain recipes or certain foods, you just know how much seasoning that you're gonna need, or it's to your liking. Just don't overthink it.
This roll call is you hear a voice. Show up.
Got my fillets all seasoned up. Now it's time to fry. They're not always going to be perfect. They're not always going to be pretty. Just make sure they're done. You see mine. And this is why I do not fight and tussle with that skin. I cook it first and then it slides right off. Please do not panic if your salmon breaks apart. It is okay.
Got me acting hella thotty, so excited. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Leave it, no self-control. I got time today.
You want to make sure those thicker parts are cooked through all the way. You don't want it to have that pink translucent look. So you want to make sure that's gone. And now you see the translucent pinkish look is gone, because now it's done. And y'all, I am not a chef, so I'm going to explain stuff to y'all the best way I can and know how. This is my last piece I'm frying up, and right here I'm kind of trying to clean up the pan a little bit, because we're going to use the same pan to start our sauce. I also like to keep it a little tidy as I'm cooking. I hate when it's a big mess while I'm cooking. I just hate for stuff to be all over the place.
Throw up the sex in the and I can put you in.
And we're starting our sauce now. I'll have these measurements in the description box, like I said, to the best of my ability. For the most part, they'll be on point. Besides, I think when I added the garlic powder, I just kind of sprinkled some in. And Old Bay. You don't have to add Old Bay, but I'm a Maryland girl, so I added Old Bay. But yeah, don't forget to check the description box for more info.
I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what Friday you was in, you can't offer me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in a and I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool, you on Sunset? I am. I'm about to slide, okay, I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides, except for the lack of time I get around my family, making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine? Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in a
You want to make sure your sauce is nice and creamy and cheesy. Add as much cheese as you want to add. I ended up adding a little bit more other than that bag I poured in there. And also, this is the time to do a taste test. See if it's seasoned to your liking. If you need to add anything, add it to your liking. And yeah, I hope you try this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thanks for watching and enjoy. And y'all, I just wanted to come back and show y'all and tell y'all, even if that salmon done broke all up, it's still gonna hit the same. It's still gonna be delicious. I'm so silly, but yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Bye, y'all.